Mabuhay 2026! Finally, the wait is over. Super excited na akong simulan ang journey nito kasama kayong lahat. I'm June Dasavilla, your licensed professional teacher at Mass Communication grad. Yes, teacher na, media professional pa. My mission? Responsible vlogging. Gagamitin natin ang platform na to to teach mind, educate hearts, and shape voices with clarity and empathy. Dito, sabay-sabay tayong mag-learn ng bago, unlearn ng mga toxic online habits, at relearn ng katotohanan. Hindi lang ako ang teacher nyo, sabay tayong lalago rito. Expect content na may ebidensya, may ethics, at may high-value impact. No more mema energy o may masabi lang. We create with the core, making an impact one content at a time. I'm June Dasabelle, your responsible creator. Like and follow for more.